Hello, I wanted to share a quick video for those of you who are looking to start a family office. Maybe you need to talk to your father, your mother, maybe your entire family. I'm at a conference here in Park City, Utah, and this question came up a few times is when you know your family needs to formalize at least a virtual family office or a single family office or join a multifamily office, how do you even start that conversation? And really, I think it comes down to the fact that most people who need a family office didn't win the lottery. They typically built a business, built a portfolio of real estate, or built up a series of assets that took a lot of hard work, typically over decades. Sometimes there's a crypto or a Silicon Valley story of wealth being created in just a couple of years, but none of those are really my clients. Most of them, 99% of them, are really people who built up their wealth over a decade or two. And so the way to appeal to these types of families, I found, and I'm doing this next week because I'm flying to California to meet with an $80 million family. The son is starting to take over the wealth. We've done 5 deals with another second gen family where the son's about my age and the family's worth $250 million. We also work with a billionaire that has a couple of daughters, again, about my age. We've done 18 deals with them. So we're very experienced in having these types of conversations. And many times it comes down to talking about the work ethic it took to create that wealth in the first place. When you waste money, you're wasting years of your life you took to build up that money. So let's think about it in numbers real quick. Let's say a family is worth $10 million and they do no estate planning. They don't put a family office in place. They don't do tax planning, and they're not efficiently ran. Well, you might lose 20% or 30% of your net worth by not having that family office in place. So really you're saying, okay, out of the last 30 years of my life and all that time away from the kids, the spouse, maybe doing whatever sport you enjoyed doing or having leisure time, you're basically throwing away, 6-7 years of your life worth of hard work because you don't want to talk to estate planning attorneys, or you don't want to do family office planning. You don't want to do proactive tax planning beyond just having your CPA tell you what you owe every year to the IRS. And you're throwing away years of that hard work. It really does an injustice to the work ethic that it takes to create the level of wealth that requires a family office. So I would just bring that up. If any of you are having trouble bringing this up with your family, how to surface a conversation, how to drive home the importance of it, talk about the years of hard work that get wasted when you don't run things efficiently and you don't optimize your family office solutions. If you need help setting up your family office, you can check out our book, How to Start a Family Office. Check out our YouTube videos. You can reach out to me directly, richard@investorclub.com. If you want to work with us, just reach out. Happy to answer questions and help you get things set up. Thank you.